everyone, this is Andrew with PRA7 Reviews. Today we're looking at a Parrotuncle 70-inch nickel fan. This is an 8-blade fan, 70 inches across. Got this from Lowe's, but they do have it at Amazon. And the price point is right around $300. If you shop the deals, you could probably get a little bit better. It was super easy to install. It came with 2 extensions. One was a shorter extension, and I went with the longer one, which made more sense. And I think this one's right around a foot, maybe a little bit longer. It comes with a really nice remote. It does have 5 speeds. We'll go ahead and click it on to number 2, and it's a nice remote. Now, the only it didn't come with a battery, so be prepared for that. You will want to have one of these. Let's see if I can find the model. Anyways, it's a 23A 12-volt battery. They're very common for ceiling fan and remotes. Just this one didn't come with a battery. That was also one of the major complaints I had seen. So we have the on and off. We have the light. So we'll start with the light. Now there's a few different modes. So we have the bright white LED. Now if you turn it off, and you turn it on again, it's going to be more of like a sun glow color rather than that bright white LED. So that's kind of nice that it gives you the options. And then I actually think that one's a little bit brighter, but it may not be. Let's go ahead and start the fan. We can turn it on. And you can control forward and reverse from the center, which is nice, so you don't have to get up there and flip any switches. It does have where it kind of spins up, just because the blades are so long. Now, one challenge there is they want you to assemble it fully, which means put all 8 blades on prior to hanging it. That makes it tricky to get up above and do the wiring and kind of deal with the stuff. So just be prepared for that. There isn't really a good way to leave one blade off and then do the wiring. But everything was really simple. There's a little module in there that connects to the remote. So really pleased with that. It does have a timer. You can run it for 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hours. And then you can control the speeds. So it does have a little beep to confirm what you're doing. And but we've had it running for a couple weeks now. It's moving a lot of air, and so far very happy with it. I'll have some links down below to get some more technical information, including the model number. It also came with a balance kit, and that was kind of nice, but so far it's been running great. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and give us a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.